You know, I can never find a razor in my house. I guess my kids are older. There's just too many people in the house who are shaving now. I've bought entire packs of razors and never seen a single one of them. Somebody else will take them before I get to use one. So I had this idea to make my own personalized DNA matched razor in hopes that nobody else will mess with it. So I've ordered a couple of razor kits. And last time I cut my hair and shaved, I collected up all that hair and I have cast it into these blanks. Just took some epoxy resin, put my hair in a mold, covered it with resin, and now I have a hairy blank that I am going to take and turn into my own personal hair razor.